Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial 117, and in this tutorial we will do modeling of this simple part. As you can see that I have already modeled it, and this tutorial is designed for the beginner user, those who have just started learning the part modeling. I will close this file and create a new file, and I will show you from the scratch. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on ko-fi.com. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting, and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have created a new file, and I have activated my part design workbench. First thing which I will do is to insert a body, and I will on the origin plane, and I will select this right plane and click on the sketch, and hide the origin plane. And first thing which I will do is to create a rectangle, and then select a line tool and create a horizontal and vertical line, and use the trim tool to trim this geometry. And now we will select a horizontal dimension and provide the value of 68 to this horizontal line. Select vertical dimension, provide this 32, again select vertical and provide this 28, and select a horizontal and provide this 18 mm. So our sketch is fully constrained. We will come out of it, and we will extrude it to the distance of 65, and keep it symmetric to the plane. Click on OK, and now we will create this boss. We will press 0 for isometric and select this face and click on the sketch, and we will project this edge, switch to the top view, and we will create a circle, and we will select this and this and add a coincidence. Click on close, and we will create a cut. Select extrude, cut, and say it true all, say OK. And now we will insert a datum plane. So we will select the face and click on the datum plane, and we will insert a datum plane at a distance of 14 mm. We will change it to the minus. Click on OK. Now we will rebuild it. Select the datum plane and click on the sketch. Click on project geometry and project this arc, and we will click on the circle and create a circle and click on close, and we will extrude it to the distance of 48. Say it 48 and make it symmetric to the plane, and we will hide it. Press space bar, and now we will create this rib. So we will on our origin plane and select the sketch and off the origin plane, and now we will click on the project geometry and we will switch to the wireframe, and here I will create a equal line to the projected one, and draw the two horizontal line and select a 3-point arc and we will go and remove the conflict, say it deactivate, and we will project this edge and select this center and this arc center and provide the horizontal dimension of 140, and we will select this and add a tangency, select this and add a tangency. Now we will close it, press V7 for shaded view, and we will extrude it to the distance of 30 mm, and here we will make it symmetric to the plane, and here we will refine the shape. So the refine, set it true, and now we will insert one more datum plane at a distance of 15 mm. So select the face, click on the datum plane, and in a Z direction provide the 15 mm and set it -15. So we have the mid plane. We will close it, we will rebuild it, select the datum plane and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry, select the circle, select this and add a coincidence, click on close and extrude it to the distance of 50 mm, set 50 and click on symmetric to the plane, click on OK. We will hide this datum plane. Now we will switch to the isometric, and last thing which we will do is to create the cut. We will select top face, click on the sketch, click on the project geometry, select the circle, create a circle, select diameter, and this is of 20. Click on close, select the sketch, click on extrude cut, say true all, select this face, click on the sketch, click on the project geometry, select the circle and create a circle and provide the diameter of 25. Click on close, select the sketch, click on extrude cut, say it true all. So here we have completed our model, and now we will apply the approximate color. Go to the shape color and we will provide approximate color, click on OK. So this is how we have successfully modeled this part with respect to the isometric drawing, and I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. And this tutorial is designed for the beginner user, those who have just started learning the part modeling. If you like this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share my channel, and also support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help this channel to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. Link is given in a video description. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.